Oh, hey, what's up? I didn't see you there. You want to know what I'm doing? I'm making money. For what? Simply for liking posts. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Hey, what's up guys? This is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in this video, I'm going to show you a site that pays you simply for liking different posts on social media. So you're already probably doing it anyway. You can get paid for it, right? So why not just do that? So I'm going to show you this site. I'm going to also show you 5 alternatives. But before we're gonna jump into the content of the video, let me just remind you that each time I'm uploading a video to this channel, I'm giving away $500 worth of products. And if you want to win $500 in courses and software, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send it to if you win. And I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video. And also check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link is my newly opened Art of Marketing Elite Club, where I will take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make money online, even if you're brand new. Check out all the rest of the links as well. It's all free signups, free downloads, and just my social media. So check it all out. And right now, let's just jump into the content of this video, how you can make money simply for liking posts. Okay, so the first website I wanted to show you, and the most amazing one, is TheTalko Workers. So you can go to TheTalko Workers right now, and as you can see, this is a website for small jobs. They call it micro jobs. So as you can see, you're gonna get paid for Facebook like and sharing on a wall, subscribing or liking a YouTube video, Reddit upvotes, post a comment, Instagram follow, writing a comment, Twitter follow, Twitter retweet, and also comments on forums, blogs, reviews, votes, etc. So just a bunch of different ways. And essentially you can complete these jobs literally in seconds. You know, how long does it take just to like a Facebook post and share something? Okay, so this is the small jobs that you can make money with. They also have ongoing jobs like making a library of 2,000 photos look better, or collecting information, retyping scanned documents, updating products on a website, writing articles, etc. Okay, so as you can see, these are just some examples. So you can search and visit for like a term that they're gonna tell you 2 cents. So not a lot, but keep in mind you can do this literally in 2 seconds. Searching and enter a website and click, 10 cents. Visiting a website and click, 4 cents. Get a Starbucks home pack now, 24 cents. This one, Dunkin' Donuts gift card, 20 cents. You know, get 2 years of Netflix for free, 24 cents. So just a bunch of different micro jobs. And keep in mind, you can do literally dozens of these in a single minute. Okay, so you know, they're not paying out a lot of money, but you can make a ton of these jobs. Literally in 5 minutes you can go through dozens. Okay, so you know, this one pays 31 cents. You know, you get the point. So just a bunch of different micro jobs that anyone can do from anywhere in the world, and you're gonna get paid over and over and over again for something as simple as just liking a Facebook post. Now they also have featured ongoing jobs like YouTube video uploads, $20 per task, a targeted task for Carolite, I'm not sure what this is, but it's 30 cents per task, micro tasks daily, 30 cents per task. You got 50 cents per task, European workers for small tasks, and you even have $1.50 right here, create promotional videos for our company. So just, you know, a bunch of different tasks. So you have the feature small jobs and ongoing jobs, so just a bunch of different ways to get paid. All you're gonna have to do is click on sign up right here. Obviously you're gonna have to fill all of this out and then create an account, and then just wait for the jobs to roll in. Super simple. Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. No experience is needed, obviously. Even if you're a teenager, you can still do it. Even if you're an 11-year-old, you can still do it. This is super easy. So TheTalkoWorkers.com. Now everyone can work. That's the #1 website, and I told you I'm going to show you 5 alternatives as well. So let's just jump into the first alternative. Okay, rapidworkers.com. That's just another website, very, very similar to Pico Workers. And as you can see, they say, at Rapid Workers, tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, employers are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly. Most of all, it simply works. So as you can see, for workers right here, workers sign up and browse micro jobs, select the jobs you like, finish tasks and submit proof, earn money and much more. And they are paying via PayPal. So very, very cool. Money directly into your PayPal account, and you can also get money via bank account. And as you can see, available tasks right now: YouTube, vote for this video, 10 cents. Follow me on Twitter, 12 cents. Insurance form sign up, $1.50. Create a Gmail account for me, 13 cents, etc. So you can do literally these in a minute or less. You know, if this one will take you 5 minutes, they will pay you $1.50. So again, just a bunch of different super simple jobs that you can do, and the site is rapidworkers.com. That's my number one alternative, and the number two alternative is clickworker.com. So again, very, very similar idea. This is more about market research. So you're going to be doing a bunch of surveys on this website as well. So if you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can register as a click worker. So as you can see, it says Clickworker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. How it works: you can sign up as a Clickworker free of charge. You work independently, your schedule is flexible, and all you need is a computer and or mobile device with an internet connection. When you decide on how much you want to work on freelance basics. Super, super cool. And again, this is more about working with companies on surveys, etc. So a little bit different from Pico Workers and Rapid Workers, but this is just another alternative. Clickworker.com. And the number three alternative is microworkers.com. So another website, very, very similar idea. And as you can see, they have a bunch of different jobs like framing multiple statements from story context, image emotion evaluation, choosing more preferred design, determining image color, translation of sentences, video comparison, validating translation of a text, taking a survey, referring expression in a video, image annotation. So just a bunch of different super simple, easy tasks, micro jobs that you can literally deliver in seconds and make some money this way. So this is microworkers.com. And the number four alternative is a website that I already reviewed on my channel, but I just wanted to remind you about it because it's very, very cool as well. MTurk, which stands for Amazon Mechanical Turk. You can sign in as a worker, and they have a bunch of different jobs for you as well. So as you can see, it says make money in your spare time, get paid for completing simple tasks. And these tasks can be something like helping companies select the best picture to represent a product, targeting objects found in an image, audit user uploaded images, classifying and identifying objects found in a satellite imagery, removing duplicate content, identifying incomplete or duplicate products listings, verifying restaurant details, etc. So just a bunch of different jobs, even data processing. So just like editing and transcribing audio content, categorizing information, a bunch of different micro jobs that you can do and get paid for by Amazon. Okay, so this is 100% legit. Okay, so MTurk. And number five alternative, and this is something that actually is my favorite one, and I used it a lot in the past. I'm still using it, but this is essentially how I created my online business starting from scratch. Fiverr.com. And this is obviously something that you're gonna have to create your own listing on. So this is not like someone will give you a job. This is something that you're gonna create your listing on and then just wait for orders. If you want to start working as a freelancer, so not with micro jobs, but actually for jobs that pay hundreds of dollars sometimes, check out the first link in the description. Again, join my Art of Marketing Elite Club, because inside I will show you exactly how to start, how to grow a business, and how to create an online income stream. So again, Fiverr.com. If you want to know more, I will definitely help you out inside Art of Marketing Elite. And again, this is something that I used a lot in the past. I started selling on Fiverr back in 2012. So I made tens of thousands of dollars on Fiverr, and this is by far my favorite website, especially if you are new to making money online and working from home. Okay, so this was my number 5 alternative. I hope you're gonna make a ton of cash this way. As you can see, you won't become a millionaire, you won't be making thousands of dollars with these micro jobs, but this is something cool, easy to do, something that you can do in your spare time. Even if you're like on your break at work, you can still deliver a few of these jobs and make some extra money. If you want to start making the real money and create an online income, I would recommend you Fiverr.com definitely, and then obviously you can grow your business on top of what you already created on Fiverr. Okay, so that's my recommendation for you. And right now, let's just see who won the giveaway from my previous video. Okay, so my previous video is this one right here, make money searching Google. You can check it out as well. I highly recommend you do. Let me just copy the URL and let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Let me paste in the URL and let's see how many comments we have. We have 14 comments. So right now let's pick a random winner. Okay, we got David Robertson, good one, Art, and I got the email. So right now I'm going to send David $500 worth of online courses, and these are the courses I'm actually selling right now. So if you would like to get it, you would have to pay $500, but David is getting it all for free. And if you want to win $500 in courses, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the prize to. All right. Okay, so as you are seeing, I just sent $500 worth of my own online courses to the winner. Again, congratulations. Do these 4 things if you want to win $500 worth of courses, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the first link will take you to my Art of Marketing Elite Club, which is a membership site that I created for you, where I'm taking you by the hand and I will essentially teach you how to create an online income stream from scratch. Check out all the rest of the links as well, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.